This is group 10, and we have included a couple of medial muscles because this group is kind of broken broadly up into two main groups of muscles, which you're probably familiar with. The quadriceps muscles, which are going to be on top of the thigh, and then the hamstrings, which will be on the side, kind of wrapping around to the posterior of the thigh. Okay, so we've got two of our quadriceps muscles seen on the lateral side. The green pin is in the vastus lateralis. Vastus meaning big, lateralis meaning lateral. So this is a big lateral muscle. And then kind of tucked in below that is the vastus intermedius. So when you extend your leg, you would have contraction of two of the four quadriceps on the lateral side. So vastus lateralis, green, and vastus intermedius, orange. And then if we turn him over to look at the medial side, kind of underneath this tensor that we got in the previous group, here's your rectus femoris. That's the white pin, and the vastus medialis. So these two will also contract when you extend your leg at the knee. Okay, so we'll review these real quick together. Vastus medialis, rectus femoris, and then on the lateral side, vastus lateralis and vastus intermedius. So that's our quadriceps. Quad meaning four. Ceps referring to the fact that it is considered a four-headed muscle, sort of a four-part muscle. Then we're going to move down to the hamstrings. For this big muscle here, we have removed its connection to the knee area. There was fascia here that connected this big muscle to the side of the knee. This is the biceps femoris. It's actually two parts. You only have to know that this whole thing is the biceps femoris, but it can be further separated into the biceps cranialis, or biceps femoris cranialis, and biceps femoris caudalis. Cranialis meaning it's closer to the head end, and caudalis that is closer to the tail. And then we have two muscles that are sort of hidden by the biceps femoris, our semimembranosus, this is the yellow pin, and then a bit more caudal and more medial is the semitendinosus. So here's semitendinosus with the purple pin, semimembranosus with the yellow pin, and then biceps femoris with the blue pins, together making up the hamstrings.